Charles Moon of Prosper Trading Academy joins us now for the final trade of the day. You are watching a software stock that I actually have never heard mentioned on any big TV shows so far.
Right.
So I love that you did that. It's called Rapid7?
Rapid7, RPD, Romeo Papa Delta. Now, we've seen how tech has performed in 2019, right? They've been a huge driver for this market rally. Everybody talks about Twilio and Trade Desk and all these other high-flying names. You can even add Roku. But nobody talks about RPD and their gains and how strong of a trend they've been. So this is one of the names that's definitely big on my watch list.
Is this a straight out buy for you?
Yeah, only. The trend is so strong in this name. I'm centering around this 49.5 to around 47.75 range. You could really stop yourself out very quickly at around 46.10-ish. But if you really have that risk tolerance, you could let it get to that 44.80-ish level if you want to give yourself that little buffer. But for me, it's like when you trade in a stock with such a strong performing trend, that predictability factor is built in, you should be okay in that light.
But you always put your stop in nonetheless, because you never know.
You protect yourself at all times when you are in the markets.
Would you maybe widen out that stop just to give yourself a little bit more wiggle room here, Charles?
Yeah, it's all depending on the person's risk tolerance. This is a name that you're going to want to watch because one, it's a cheaper price stock, right? It's a third of what Twilio really is, and two, it's performing just in the same light. It may not have 20-point gains in like 2 days like Twilio can, but in terms of percentage gains, it's going to be on that same scale. So, with volatility, you definitely want to widen up. I just don't think you need to as much, but again, that 44.80-ish level will be where you would want to stop yourself as a max bottom line. There's a little gap to be filled there, and if it's not responsive after that gap fill, it's most likely going to progress lower. So that would be the level I would really watch here in the near term.
And your target?
All you can eat. Probably
wow.
At this rate, the way that it's performing, I could easily see it above 55 here. Actually, within around 8 weeks, if the markets continue climbing. That's just how strong a performer it is. I mean, 10-15% gains is not out of the question in a very short period of time.
Okay, we will be watching that one. Thanks so much for the software stock today.
Thank you for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.